ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 34. శ్రీరామచరిత వర్ణనం. ద ఇన్కార్నేషన్ యాజ్ శ్రీరామ. శ్లోక 1. గీర్వాణైః అర్త్యమానో దశముఖనిధనం కోసలేష్వృష్య శృంగే పుత్రీయామిష్టిమిష్ట్వా దదుషి దశరథ క్ష్మాభృతే పాయసాగ్ర్యం తద్భుక్త్యా తత్పురంధ్రీష్వపి తిసృషు సమం జాతగర్భాసు జాతో రామస్త్వం లక్ష్మణేన స్వయమథ భరతే నాపి శత్రుఘ్ననామ్నా. The Ramayana story is contained in chapters 10 and 11 of the 9th skanda of Bhagavata. Apart from condensing these in this and the next dashaka, the poet has added some more details from various other sources. Word by word meaning. Atha, then. Tvam, thou. Girvanaihi, by the devas. Dashamukha nidanam, arthyamanaha, being prayed to for the slaying of Ravana. Kosaleshu, in the land of Koshala. Rishya Shringe, when sage Rishya Shringa Putriyam Ishtim Ishtva had performed the Putra Kameshti Yaga. Dasharatha Kshmabrute, to King Dasharatha. Payasagriyam, the divine Payasa. Dadushi, gave. Tad bhuktya, by partaking of it. Samam jata garbhasu, who had become pregnant at the same time. Tisrushu tatpurandrishu api, from his 3 queens. Swayam Ramaha, thou as Rama. Bharatena, with Bharata. Lakshmanena, Lakshmana. Shatrughna namna api, and Shatrughna. Jataha, birth, born. Full meaning. Then, on being prayed to by the devas for the destruction of Ravana, a sacrifice for the birth of children, Putra Kameshti Yaga, was performed by the sage Rishya Shringa on behalf of King Dasharatha of Koshala. The king gave the divine Payasha, which he got during this sacrifice, from Agni to his 3 wives, and on taking it they became pregnant simultaneously. From them thou wert born as Rama, along with Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna. Om Tat Sat.